kids. Hello kids. Today we are doing Social Science Footprints book, class 4, chapter 15, Government Services. Let's get started. One night, Tessama's beloved buffalo, Beauty, disappeared. Tessama went to the Arumanur police station to report the missing buffalo. Jinsey Jones, the new constable, asked Tessama to describe the buffalo. She found that Beauty loved to listen to music on her red radio. Jinsey immediately got down to work. Jinsey decided to go around the village and ask folks if they had seen Beauty. Jinsey cycled all around Aramanor with very little luck. Sorry, haven't seen any buffalo. Disappear in the middle of the night. She's probably been sold off at the meat market already. Maybe she just decided to run away. Beauty, my daughter's name is also Beauty. How will you find her when you can't make out one buffalo from another? Okay. A little ahead, Jinsey ran into a man who was repairing the truck. There was loud music playing from his truck. Jinsey asked him about Beauty. Why are you asking me? I am new here. I'm just repairing my truck. Why would I know anything about a buffalo who listens to the radio? Who listens to the radio? Just ran back to the beauties ahead. Beauty, of course, was missing, but so was something else. That night, Jinsey ventured out to set some things right in the darkness near the truck. Something else other than the fireflies was shining. Shh! Beauty. How did you figure out, Jinsey asked Tessima. It's simple. Shaji said, had not seen a buffalo who listened to the radio. I never told him about Beauty. I listened to the radio. Beauty kidnappers was marched off to the police station. This was just a story. कि उनकी बफलो खो गई है तो उसे वो ढूंढ रहे हैं. Okay. What are government? The services that government provides for the welfare of its people are called government services or public services. गवर्नमेंट सर्विस और पब्लिक सर्विसेज क्या होती हैं? ऐसी सर्विसेज जो गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड करती है फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ पीपल आर कॉल्ड गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस. ऐसी सर्विसेज जो गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड करती है पीपल के वेलफेयर के लिए. दीज आर कॉल्ड गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेज और पब्लिक सर्विसेज. दीज आर और ये सर्विसेज क्या करती है? मेंटेनिंग लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, हेल्थ केयर, एजुकेशन, बैंकिंग सर्विस. अब मेंटेनिंग लॉ एंड ऑर्डर में क्या करती हैं? एनफोर्समेंट ऑफ लॉ, मेंटेनेंस, प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी, protection of interest of the country and its people. Healthcare में dispensaries, health camps, pre-medical camps, medicines. Education में right to free compulsory education from 6 to 14 of age. सर्व शिक्षा अभियान, मिड डे मील स्कीम, colleges and university, banks will keep our money safe, give loans, ATM services, etc. There are a number of organizations in our country, such as police, banks, post office, hospital, fire brigade, and so on. बहुत सारी organization है हमारी country में like this that helps us in different ways to lead a comfortable life. Many of these organizations are run by the government. The government has separate departments that look after just look after these organizations. The government provides free polio medicine for all Indian children below the age of 5. What are the government services? The services that the government provides the welfare of its people are called government services and public services. These include requirements of citizens such as क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट होती हैं सिटीजन की क्लीन वाटर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हेल्थ केयर प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट क्राइम मेंटेनेंस ऑफ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर so on. These services are used by every citizen living in the country. It is the responsibility of government to ensure the availability of these services. कि गवर्नमेंट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि वो इंश्योर करता है कि ये सब सर्विसेज लोगों को प्रोवाइड की जा रही हैं पीपल को. Different types of government services like maintaining law and order. The government is responsible for the safety and security of its people. Every citizen must be protected against all kinds of danger. At the same time, citizen must also obey the law. The government किस लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होती है? The safety and security of people's की. Every citizen must be protected against all kinds of danger. At the same time, citizen must also obey the laws. It is duty of the police to enforce the laws of the land so that people can enjoy their rights. The police thus maintain order and peace in country. पुलिस क्या करती है ऑर्डर एंड मेंटेन करती है. They also protect public property. You can also register a complaint in the police station in case of a theft or to report any other crime. Police stations are located in the different areas of every cities or town. Apart from the police, at the time of war, our defense forces, army forces, navy and the air forces protect the interests of the country and its people. Especially on the borders during the time of peace, our defense force protect our country from any possible threat and disasters. Healthcare is one of the primary need of people. Healthcare services are provided by the government in cities, towns, and many villages. The government also set up dispensaries in remote areas. Special Health camps are regular to organize many people aware of the facilities being offered by the government. Doctor in these camps tell people that about personal hygiene and healthy habits and how they can prevent different diseases. Free medical checkup are done and medicines are distributed in these camps. तो गवर्नमेंट ये सब चीज़ें हमें प्रोवाइड करती है कि विलेज से टाउन सिटीज़ में डिस्पेंसरीज वगैरह बनवाना गवर्नमेंट सेटअप करती हैं. स्पेशल हेल्थ कैंप्स लगाना और रेगुलर उनको ऑर्गेनाइज करवाना. डॉक्टर्स इन दीज कैंप्स टेल पीपल पर्सनल हाइजीन एंड हेल्थ केयर हैबिट्स के बारे में बताते हैं कि वो खुद को कैसे डिजीज़ से प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं. फ्री मेडिकल चेकअप्स और फ्री मेडिसिन प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं और डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं सिटीज़ विलेज में. Education is necessary for all around development of the citizen. The Constitution of India has given the children of 6 to 14 years of age the right to free compulsory education. To ensure this, the government runs many schools across the country, even in remote villages. The government has launched programs such as Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan and Midday Meal Scheme to educate children and increase school enrollment and attendance from every section of society respectively. These programs are especially meant to educate children from the poorer section of the society and improve the nutrition level among there. The government also runs many colleges and universities to provide higher education to its people. इधर सर्व शिक्षा अभियान मिड डे मील ये सब स्कीम्स आई हुई हैं और बच्चों को स्कूल में प्रोवाइड करा जाता है. The government also run many colleges and universities to provide higher education to its people. Banks play an important role in citizen life. Citizens deposit their money in the banks to keep it safe. Banks lend this money to the public as loan. In other words, people who need money for business, higher studies, or for purchasing a house or a car can borrow it from the banks. Valuable belongings to the people are also kept in safe custody with banks. Nowadays, banks provide many other facilities such as internet banking and automated teller machines in different locations that provide cash all the times. लेकिन बैंक एक इम्पोर्टेंट रोल बनाते हैं जहाँ आप अपनी मनी को डिपॉजिट कर सकते हैं और उसे सेव कर सकते हैं. ठीक है ना. आप बैंक से मनी लैंड भी कर सकते हैं एज लाइक लोन लेकर. कोई बिजनेस वगैरह किसी चीज़ के लिए चाहिए तो आप बैंक से लोन ले सकते हैं. बैंक्स में और चीज़ें भी प्रोवाइड की जाती हैं फैसिलिटीज़ लाइक इंटरनेट बैंकिंग ऑटोमेटिक टेलर मशीन different locations that provide cash in all times. The government provide many other services such as postal services and fire and emergency services. The postal system helps us to send and receive emails, or the fire brigade puts on fire, rescue people from the dangerous fire, carries out relief operation during disaster such as floods, earthquake and road accidents. During natural disaster, the police and the defense forces come to the rescue of the people too. बहुत सारी सर्विसेज गवर्नमेंट भी प्रोवाइड करती है. पोस्टल एंड फायर एंड इमरजेंसी सर्विस. पोस्टल सिस्टम में क्या होता है, आपको हेल्प्स अस टू सेंड एंड रिसीव ईमेल्स. फायर ब्रिगेड क्या करती है, पुट्स ऑन फायर puts out fire, rescue people from dangers. Fire carries out relief operation during disaster. फ्लड अर्थक्वेक रोड एक्सीडेंट होते हैं तो रिलीफ ऑपरेशंस चलाती हैं. ड्यूरिंग नेचुरल डिजास्टर में पुलिस एंड डिफेंस फोर्सेस कम टू द रेस्क्यू ऑफ द पीपल. बट ये जनरल अवेयरनेस का ही चैप्टर है तो इसे आपने समझना है क्या क्या सर्विसेज होती हैं और किस तरीके से होती हैं. आपको स्टडी करना है. उसको 2-3 बार ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे तो आपको आ जाएगा. जैसे नेशनल इमरजेंसी नंबर है 112. पुलिस का नंबर है 100. फायर ब्रिगेड फायर हो लग जाए तो 101 और एम्बुलेंस का 102. तो प्लीज़ लर्न इन नंबर्स को ऑलवेज रिमेंबर रखिए और चैप्टर को ध्यान से समझिए कि आपके बहुत काम आएगा आगे तक. सो स्टडी कीजिए इनको अच्छे से और साथ ही साथ मेरे चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर 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 करिए. और मेरी वीडियोस पसंद आए तो डेफिनेटली आप इसे लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर कीजिए प्लीज़. थैंक यू.